one of the big hills which I can't push on the push bike. It's too much for me. Hello, can you please let me know how do you stay fit over the winter month? That will be very helpful. Thank you. Oh, you go to the gym? That's your routine. That's the entrance to the gym. Oh, now we know. So we have to go to the gym, yeah? Hello, my lovely viewers. Hello from outdoors. Let me know, how do you keep yourself active over the winter months, like November, now December, January, February? How do you keep yourself active? How do you keep that motivation to stay active over those months? Let me know in the comments, please. I just arrived at work, and I want to share with you one big motivation thing that helps me going over the winter months to stay active and stay fit, which sometimes I struggle as well. I decided a few years ago to just buy a push bike and just come to work with a push bike. It's a long journey, but it's worth it. You stay fit, you save money, you embrace nature. What more you can want from that? So yeah, one big thing that keeps me motivated to stay fit over the winter months is just go at work with my push bike. It's very miserable when it's rainy and windy. Rain and wind together, it's a miserable day to go push bike. But raining, I managed to do it. I have a very good an airplane. I have very good winter layers, very good jacket and trousers, waterproof trousers and jacket, and I just push it. And when it's raining and windy, I prefer not to. I take the car. Yeah, that's another thing. I became very lazy. I realized I became very lazy since we bought the car, and I just cut the push bikes journeys to my work. And this month, the following months, November, December, January and February, I want to go at work with a bike, push bike, at least 3 times per week, if the weather allows me. Now I'm going to have some lunch at school and then have my lessons. Hope this tip helps you as well, and let me know in the comments, how do you keep yourself motivated to stay active and fit over this cold and wet and small days of autumn and winter. The rain already started, so on my way back home I will have rain. I want to introduce you to somebody very cute. Peacocks. Hello. Where are you going? They're hiding. They're hiding from the rain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here is Mama peacock with the baby chicks. Everyone is hiding from the rain. Oh baby, where are you going?
Okay, step forward lunge. You go distance. Keep it surface still.
Yes. It looks like I'm very lucky. The rain just stopped and the sun is out. Thank you, God. Thank you. Thank you. This is one big hill which I can't push anymore. It's very, very tough. And I'm taking it from the bars and I'm walking next to the bike. And it looks like the rain is starting again. But it's fun. I'm prepared. I have everything I need. I have everything I need. And I made it home! Yay! Ouch! I made it home safe. And I feel so full of energy now. I don't know, it's unbelievable how well you feel after you finish and you accomplish your goal. My goal was to go with the bike back and forth to work, and I've done it. I'm not wet from the rain, the waterproof layers, they're working fantastic. I'm just sweaty because it was quite intense, and as well I always sweat. I had everything I need. I had the bike, I had the gear for waterproof layers, everything. The only thing that I had to control was my mind, to keep it on the right track, because on the way to work, when I left home, in my mind I already quit it twice. I wanted to come back and take the car, literally just 2 kilometers on the way, and I wanted to come back home. How crazy is that? How crazy is that? But I was thinking, I have everything I need, I just have to do it. And this is where I've done it. And I feel amazing, I feel full of energy, full of life. That's the word, full of life. A lot of oxygen into my lungs, which is life, life, life. So let's recap, what do you need in order to stay fit and active over the winter months, over the cold month, autumn, winter months? Just control your mind. That's all I have to do. Let me know in the comments below what you find helpful for you to stay active and stay engaged in exercise over the cold month. Hope you like this type of video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe it, follow me on my Instagram, and until the next time, stay fit. Bye for now. Bye bye.